Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to Skill Station. Today is our sixth lecture of our advanced course named Statistical Data Analysis by using RStudio. Today lecture is very important because today we will learn how we can perform correlation analysis by using the RStudio and which packages are used for RStudio and how we can library them, how we can install them. In our last lecture, we have learned about ggplot2 packages. Now we will learn about correlation packages. So guys, first of all, let me explain. For correlation, there are two packages that are used in the RStudio. The first one is Psych and the second one is corrplot. These are two packages that are used to perform the correlation analysis on the RStudio. First of all, we will come out to screen 4 and search these packages. I will search Psych and I will first of all search Psych and I have already installed this package. But if you are using RStudio for the first time, maybe you would not have Psych in your RStudio. So you will install Psych from install option here. You will type Psych and install this package, right? So first of all, now guys, we will learn how we can write down the script for correlation and how we can activate our package. So guys, the function that will be used to perform the analysis on RStudio will be corrplot. This is the first function of the package of Psych or corrplot that is used to perform the correlation. First of all, we will first of all we will import our dataset. I am going to import dataset, and this dataset file name files I have shared in comment section of RStudio lecture first video, and also in our WhatsApp group I have shared files file. You can even use your own datasets. Here is files file. I am going to import this file on RStudio. After importing the dataset file, our second function will be library over function. So I am going to library mean activate. So I am going to activate my function name psych psych library psych psych here psych. Okay, now I will run it and here you can see that my function has been activated. So now we will learn how we can perform correlation analysis by using the psych function. First of all, we will write the name of function name is core. Here is cor.test. This is the name of the function. In second step, we will write down the dataset name. Dataset name is cycles. It is very small script for correlation cycles. And now we will run the script. When I run the script, it is giving error x must be numerical. It means that in our dataset, all values are not numerical. Let me show you dataset. Here is our dataset. You can see that petal width is column 1 numeric. Here you can see written. Here you can see on second column it is also numeric. Column 3 is also numeric. Column 4 is also numeric. But column 5 of species is characters. It is not numeric. So what we will do? We will delete column number 5 because for correlation it is condition that all our column must be numerical, our data must be numerical. So we will delete column number 5. How we will delete? After 5 plus we will add square brackets and add -5 fn -5 and run our data set. Here you can see that we have get our correlation table. Here you can see that correlation matrix, correlation table. We have get correlation table and we can save this by clicking Ctrl S. We can save this table. But no, I am not going to save this. So guys, this is how we can perform the correlation analysis to get correlation table. So guys, now I will teach how we can also perform the can plot graph by correlation analysis. So guys, I will write down guys to for and to get correlation plot we will first write down pairs pairs.panels. We will use script pairs.panels. Same we will write down the name of the dataset cycles. Same we will remove the current of 5 by -5. Okay guys, now we will run the script and here we will get our there is a sorry, we did not add scare brackets. First of all, we will add the scare bracket after cycles. We will add scare brackets now -5 and run the script. Here we will get the plot. This is correlation plot. So guys, this is how correlation analysis is performed by using the RStudio. So in our today lecture, will learn there are two packages for correlation, psych and plot, and the function that will be used is cor.test for table and pairs.panels for the graph or plots. And guys, one thing remember that over this code for correlation analysis, our all data must be numerical, and if we have characters we will remove that column, as we removed column number 5 because in column number 5 CPC data was not in numerical form. So that's how guys correlation analysis will perform. And next lecture are also very important. We will write down how we can generate the script, not write script, how we can generate the script by using the AI for any kind of analysis. After tomorrow lecture, you will be able to perform all sort of analysis by using the RStudio guys. So if you have not subscribed my channel guys, subscribe my channel Skill Station and also must watch our previous lectures. Thank you so much.